In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the taskbar to the top, left, or right in Windows 11. Before we get started, make sure your Windows 11 is up to date, because some customization options can depend on the version you're running. Also, keep in mind that Microsoft doesn't officially allow full taskbar movement in the same way older versions of Windows did. So we'll be using a reliable workaround that edits a few settings behind the scenes. I'll walk you through it carefully so you can follow along safely. First, close any apps you don't need right now, just to keep things simple and avoid distractions. You'll want your desktop visible, with the taskbar clearly in view at the bottom of your screen. Next, we'll open the Settings app. Click the Start button, then click the gear icon if you see it, or simply type Settings after opening Start and press Enter. Once Settings is open, look for the Personalization section, since that's where Windows groups most of the appearance and layout options for your system. Within Personalization, click on Taskbar. Here you can adjust some basic options, like which icons appear and how they're grouped at. While Windows 11 doesn't give you a simple drop-down to move the taskbar to any edge, this is still an important place to control how it behaves after we change its position. To actually move the taskbar, we'll use a small registry change. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. If you see a prompt asking for permission, click Yes. Take your time here. The registry controls a lot of system behavior, so we'll be very precise. In the registry editor, carefully navigate through the folders on the left to the section that controls the taskbar layout. Once you arrive at the correct entry, you'll see a value that determines where the taskbar is placed. You'll change this value to match the position you want: top, left, or right. After you've edited the value, make sure to confirm and close the registry editor. Now, either restart Windows Explorer or simply restart your computer to apply the change. When your desktop loads again, your taskbar should appear in the new position you selected, whether that's at the top of the screen, along the left edge, or on the right. If you don't like the new layout, just repeat the same steps and change the value back to its original setting to return the taskbar to the bottom.